As the founding director of the Doctor of Physical Therapy program, an easy metric of success would be to say 100% of our students will pass the licensing exam. And while we expect our students to pass the licensing exam, all 100% of them, what truly will be success for us is to see the profound impacts that our students will be making as they graduate and go out into the community as healthcare providers. We were very intentional in our recruiting of students for this program. As a physical therapy program, we had hundreds of applicants, and what was great is that we have this team of faculty that are all passionate about taking a holistic approach to recruitment. And we were able to do so in a number of ways. First of all, in the application process itself, we focused on a number of different things. And while GPA is important and we had incredibly qualified applicants, we also looked at other things, other elements such as life experiences, volunteer work they've done in areas that are not necessarily in physical therapy, but we know it helps shape who they are as individuals. Other things we did in our application process is one of our 3 essays. We had a question on diversity, equity, inclusion to really give them the opportunity to share more about their experience and perspectives. And then finally, we, as a faculty, decided in our interview, we had 5 questions. And we wanted to take one of those questions and go a little bit deeper in a one-on-one type of way with students or applicants in order to ask them a little bit more in-depth questions about DEI to really learn more about them and for them to learn more about us. What's been really exciting is bringing in this cohort of 45 students that are very diverse in a number of ways to this campus that is really quite homogenous. And physical therapy profession in general, if you look at the professionals across the country, it's also very homogenous. And the American Physical Therapy Association is working hard to increase diversity among these healthcare professionals because we know it is too homogenous. So we've brought in this group of diverse students, and what we're already seeing 2 terms into this is what they're learning from each other, learning their different perspectives, their different backgrounds, their different experiences is already having a major impact on their learning experience that goes beyond what we could have imagined for both them and the community surrounding them. We truly believe that as they do go through this cohort program where they're in classes from 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, for 2 years, what they're going to be able to learn through that with our faculty being passionate about thoughtfully taking them through learning content and learning from each other, that they'll be able to make incredible impacts when they go out beyond just this local community of OSU-Cascades.